beautiful complexion is 1 part makeup, 9 parts cleanliness.
Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. I hope you're so well. As you know, I've been trying loads of Freederm products over the past month and trying to devise a skincare routine which is affordable and effective, and today I'm going to share it with you. So to start in the morning, I like to cleanse my face. Now as you know, I have dry skin and I like to exfoliate my face pretty regularly. To do that, I use the Freederm Exfoliating Daily Wash. This cleanses the pores, removes dirt and oil.
Pores are openings in our skin through which oil or perspiration flow. If an opening becomes clogged up, the oil is trapped and hardens, forming a blackhead.
Because blackheads are my biggest skin complaint, I like to exfoliate most days, and then I move on to one of my favourite products of the month. This is the Freederm Pore Minimizer. This stuff is brilliant. Take a really small amount and apply a really thin layer over wherever I've got big pores, which for me is the sides of my nose and my chin, and then I let it dry. The Pore Minimizer works in 15 minutes to reduce the appearance of pores. While I'm targeting problem areas, I also like to target my spots. I talked about this in my January favourites. It's the Freederm Fast Track. This stuff is brilliant. This reduces the appearance of breakouts in just 3 hours. As you can see here, I do have some discoloration. These aren't active breakouts, it's just where my skin has scarred. So to help even out my skin texture, I use the Freederm Daily Complex, which feels so amazing on my skin. It's super hydrating and makes my skin feel really soft. And then finally, you will have seen me talk about this before, when I'm ready to apply my makeup, I like to use the Freederm Perfecting Moisturizer just to add a good layer of moisture before I go in with my priming product. It's just a really nice daily moisturizer, super gentle on the skin but with a good amount of hydration, and I really like it. That is my Freederm skincare routine that I've been trying out for the past month. I'm so happy that Freederm asked me to work with them this month and trying their skincare routine. I hope you guys enjoyed this little video, and I will see you in my next one. Bye!